Hi students, few more formulas are there about on energy of the electron in the particular orbits. The formulas, what are the formulas are there? The formulas are one is absorption energy, absorption, absorption energy, the representation E absorption, and another one is ionization energy, ionization energy, the representation is IE, and one more excitation energy, excitation energy, excitation energy. These three formulas mains point of view important. So what is absorption energy? Absorption energy is simply here every every atom have a orbits. Here the orbits, these are the orbits. Energy differences decreases. Here n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4. For example, electron is present in the ground state. The electron absorbs the energy. What happens? Energy increases. The electron is moving from lower energy orbit to higher energy orbit after absorbing the energy. What happens? The energy of the electron, what happens? Changes. That is delta E. So delta E is equal to absorption energy is equal to energy. The electron is present in the nth orbit minus energy of the electron in the first orbit. The electron, after absorbing the energy, it is goes to any orbit, either first orbit or second orbit or third orbit, any orbit. So what is the energy of the electron in the nth orbit? Formula, general expression, minus 13.6 into z square by n2 square, minus of, here the minus of, what is the energy of the orbit, nth orbit, common formula, minus 13.6 into z square by n1 square. So here the minus into minus plus. So the formula finally existing delta E is equal to E absorption is equal to 13.6 into z square. Z square is the common in the both cases. Minus into minus plus. So this value converted into 1 by n1 square. This is a plus, and this one is the negative term, 1 by n2 square. This is the absorption energy formula. Electron is moving from lower energy orbit to higher energy orbit. Energy of the electron is changes, that is delta E. This is absorption energy. Next, ionization energy. What is the formula? Ionization energy. Ionization energy is nothing but, definition of ionization energy is what? M is the neutral gaseous atom. The amount of energy is needed, removal of electron from its valence shell. Removal of electron from its valence shell. That is we called as what? Ionization energy. Electron is completely removed from its valence shell. That is ionization energy. So electron is completely removed means the electron where it is present at infinite orbit. For example, here the electron is present. This is the ground state. Electron is completely removable. That means where it is present at infinite state. N value is infinite state. N2 value is infinite state. So N1 is the ground state. N2 is the infinite state in the ionization energy case. So here what is the formula in that absorption? This is nothing but absorption energy, 13.6 into z square, 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. This is the expression in the ionization energy. But what is the n1 here? N1 is the ground state and n2 is nothing but infinite state. So infinite, 1 by infinite means that is nothing but no value, that is 0. Absorption energy is equal to 13.6 into z square into 1 by n1 square. So z square by n square. So absorption energy formula 13.6 into z square by n square. it is look like energy of the electron in the nth orbit. But what is the difference here? Absorption. This is the energy difference between first orbit and higher energy orbit. Okay, there is no negative sign here, clearly observed here, there is no negative sign here. But energy of the electron in the nth orbit, negative sign is existing. This is absorption energy formula. Next, what is the formula? Excitation energy. Excitation energy. The excitation energy, what is the meaning of that excitation energy? For suppose electron is present one of the orbit, any orbit, one of the orbit. Electron is moving from lower energy orbit to any one of the higher energy state, either a second orbit or third orbit or any orbit. That is, electron is not completely removed. The electron is moving from lower energy to higher energy orbit. In that case, what is the formula? Excitation. Electron is moving from lower energy state to higher energy state. The formula is energy, excitation energy, EXC is equal to 13.6 into Z square 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. This is the formula, excitation energy formula. So observe clearly, here are the three formulas here. One is absorption energy, another one is, this is ionization energy. This is ionization energy formula. This one is ionization energy. This one is excitation energy. In the absorption energy, electron is moving from lower energy orbit to higher energy orbit. Here the formula existing like this. In the ionization energy, electron is completely removed from the atom. So completely removed means N2 value is infinite. This value is not existing in the formula here. 13.6 into Z square by N square only existing. This is the positive. Excitation means, so electron is moving from lower orbit to higher orbit. Electron is existing in the atom only, not removed. So 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. This is excitation, absorption, and this is ionization, this is absorption. These three formulas also important. Okay, students.